Hello friends, welcome to Hello Helper, your go-to channel for quick and easy computer tutorials. Today's topic is super simple yet very useful. How to open a new tab in Google Chrome. Whether you're a beginner or just learning how to browse smartly, this video will help you boost your speed and productivity online. So let's get started without any delay. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to open a new tab in Google Chrome using mouse clicks or shortcut keys. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hello Helper for more simple and useful tech tips. Also let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see next. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay smart.